From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the crude oil market, and as you can see, WTI initially gapped a little bit higher, then plunged, then turned around, and this is because we are moving on the latest headlines coming from Hurricane Ida. It has hit shore in Louisiana, as I'm sure most of you know. It's caused some damage in New Orleans, and some of the refineries, of course, have been shut down, but they have not been hurt like people had anticipated. So that makes $70 crucial. $70 resistance still intact. If we can break that, then you can get bullish. Otherwise, probably going to get some sideways action between now and the jobs market numbers on Friday. Brent looks a little less convincing. At this point, if we break the highs of the day, probably grind towards 75. But if we break down below 70, then look out below. OPEC is anticipated to increase production here in the next few days or so. And that should continue to perhaps grind this market lower.